64, 64, 64 Zulu. 64, 64, 64 Zulu.
Hello, I'm Lucy. I live at 64 Zoo Lane and I have some very special neighbours. Look!
There's one with a hump, and one who can jump, and one who is, well, a little bit plump.
64, 64, 64 Zulu.
Some like it hot, and some like it chilly, and some like it both ways, and that's a bit silly.
64, 64, 64 Zulu.
Some are friendly, some are scary, but one thing is sure, not one is ordinary.
64, 64 Zulu.
Some are sporty, some are stripy, they're prickly and woolly and furry and slimy. Some are quite big and some are very small, and the last one's Georgina, who's incredibly tall.
64, 64, 64 Zulu. 64, 64, 64 Zulu.
Bedtime, Lucy.
OK, Mum.
The story of Petula the Parrot.
Hello, Lucy.
It looks like somebody has lost her voice. Don't worry, Lucy. We'll help you find it. Won't we, everybody?
Yes.
It's not here.
Or here.
Oh dear, I hope I haven't stepped on it.
Hey everybody, we found Lucy's voice. It's over here.
Oh? Are you sure it's Lucy's voice you found, Tickles?
Yes, here I am, Nelson.
How did you do that, Lucy?
She didn't.
I did.
How was that, fellas? That was perfect, Petula. Perfect.
That was very funny, Giggles. But you and Tickles weren't laughing when Petula played a trick on you. Now, were you?
But that was different.
Yeah, completely different.
Why? What happened? Nelson?
I think Giggles and Tickles should tell us all the story, don't you, Lucy?
One day, Tickles and I were looking for something to eat in the jungle.
But we couldn't find a piece of fruit anywhere.
Now, let's see. Grapes, oranges, bananas, yum fruit. What else do I need for the party? Ah, yes, sticky berries. Oh.
Come on, Giggles. Let's try the next tree. I think we've hit the jackpot, Giggles. Look!
Wow, I've never seen so much fruit.
Well, what are we waiting for? Let's dive in! Wahoo! Sticky berries. My favourite.
Hey, don't eat them all. Leave some for me. Yeah, oh. After a really big fruit fight and stuffing ourselves silly, we were both feeling very tired. I'm pooped.
Yeah, me too. Oh, my hands are all sticky. I'll have to go to the river to wash them.
Petula the Parrot had returned to her tree and she wasn't happy. All my lovely fruit is gone. Now I don't have anything to give my friends at the party. I'll teach those monkeys a lesson. It was now that Petula started to play her tricks.
Help! Somebody help me!
Ooh, Tickles, is that you?
Of course it is, silly. Hurry up, I'm stuck.
Stuck? Stuck where? I can't see you.
Down here, in the snake hole.
Tickles, can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, Giggles.
Don't worry, Tickles. I'll have you out of there in no time. That's what he thinks.
Is all the fruit juice washed off, Tickles? Yes, Kevin. You can stop splashing now.
Tickles, over here, quick, Tickles.
Who? Did you hear that, Tickles? It's Giggles. It sounds like he's in trouble. He's eaten too many bananas, that's all. Oh, I'll go and have a look just in case. Bye-bye, Tickles. Giggles? Where are you, Giggles?
Up here, Tickles, hurry.
What are you doing up there?
I'm tangled up in the branches. You have to shake the tree to help get me loose.
Shake the tree? But it's so big.
Tickles, faster! Faster, Tickles, faster! That'll teach him to spoil my party.
Oh. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh.
Help! I'm stuck! Somebody help!
Don't worry, I'll help you.
Thanks, Nelson.
What were you doing with your head down a snake hole, Giggles?
I was trying to reach Tickles.
You mean Tickles is stuck down there too?
Yes, I think he must have fallen asleep because he hadn't said a word for ages.
Well, we'd better wake him up, hadn't we? I can't blow any more, Giggles. There's only one thing for it. You'll just have to dig Tickles out. Ah, Tickles! I see you managed to get out of that hole you were in.
Hole? What hole?
Giggles will be happy.
He'll be even more happy when I get him down from this tree.
Oh, Giggles is up in this tree? Strange. Maybe I can help you. Oops! Uh-oh. Whoops. That was close.
Eddie, there you are. Now, what did Auntie Molly tell you about climbing trees?
One last shake, Tickles. Uh-oh.
Oh, no! Hold on tight, Giggles!
Oops-a-daisy. Sorry, Tickles.
Tickles, can you hear me?
Giggles, can you hear me?
Yes, yes, Tickles, where are you? Ah!
Giggles!
Tickles, I saved you! Huh? Come on, Giggles and Tickles. You're welcome to join in our party. After all, you both earned it. Look, there's enough food for everyone. Yeah! And so we stumped ourselves silly again.
That was a very nice story, Tickles.
Hey, Lucy! Your voice is back!
Oh, yes, it is. Now I can tell you all a story.
I don't think so, Lucy. It's bedtime now.
Oh, Petula.
Good night, Lucy.
Good night, everyone.
Sweet dreams.
64, 64, 64,